Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video about boho messy locks. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. The first thing that I'll be doing is separating my hair in 4 parts. Then I'm going to comb it out with my blow dryer to straighten my hair a little bit. After blow drying my hair and straightening it out a little bit, I will be parting my hair in sections and then I'm going to plait it. So before I actually plait my hair, I'm going to be adding some hair conditioning treatment to my hair. You can use your Let's Jam or you can use your hair wax, whichever you choose to use. I used my hair wax, which gave a better hold for my hair. When you're plaiting your hair, you plait it really neat. So I finished plaiting my hair and this is what it actually looks like. So I've plaited almost all of my hair and this is what it looks like. This is what they look like out of the package. So I'm going to use the Cuban twist to give my hair body. I'm gonna crochet in 2 pieces first and then I'm gonna crochet in another 3 pieces, which is what I'm gonna use to wrap around the Cuban twist with the spring twist to create that messy faux lock look. When doing this method, you have to be very precise not to get the hairs mixed up, the hair that you're going to wrap around separate from the hair that should be in the middle. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to wrap around the spring twist hair around the hair, and I'm going to use my thumb to hold a part of the hair to give it a leave out for it to look messy. It might seem a little bit difficult at first, but if you continue and you practice, you will get the desired look. It doesn't matter which direction that you do the twist in, whether clockwise or anti-clockwise, as long as you put your thumb in between the hair, you will get the messy look. And I'm gonna do this all the way to the end of the hair, and then at the end I'm gonna lock the hair. After locking the hair, I am going to cut off the excess hair that's there that I don't need anymore. And that's what it looks like. And I'm going to be doing that for the rest of the video, so just stay tuned and watch the end results. This method is pretty easy. It's much easier than actually doing the needful locks, and it takes less time. So this is what the hair looks like when it's finished. I'm going to burn the ends of the hair and then you will have the final look. This is the end look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Watch.